Hi, Estrella. You go to grades, and then you go to the assignment in question, which is the summary. And then see this little flag here? I'm gonna switch screens because I actually have to do it a different way, but you're gonna click on this little flag. Okay, let me just show you. For me though, I am in here and I click here. That's how I do it, and it takes me to the same place. So what those clicks do is they bring you to Turnitin's plagiarism, or they call it an originality report. It's a plagiarism detector. And you'll see these highlights. And the highlights tell you that Turnitin is telling you with those highlights that these lines have already been written by someone else. So I go through and kind of look, and this one's okay because it's got quotation marks. So that's not plagiarized at all because you've told me with the quotation marks this comes from somewhere else. But it's down here where things get problematic. So it's all of this because oh wait, there are some quotation marks there that start here. Okay, so that's okay because with those quotation marks, you're telling me that someone else wrote this. But all of this is, I think, from the article itself. And in fact, in a summary, you should be boiling down the article into its main points. So you should sort of be going, let me pause. So you should actually kind of be going section by section. So maybe, I don't know, this is not really essential to his argument, nor is this. This is information about him. Let's see, where does he start to really get into his argument? Here, I would say here. So when you're summarizing, you're doing something like this. You're saying, here the author is explaining that the study of happiness has been huge in psychology over the last decade. And then maybe you summarize these 3 paragraphs next. And I don't know, in one sentence you'd say, he has boiled down many approaches to the study of happiness into 3 equations, right? So you're really boiling down big chunks of text into a single sentence. So I don't know, here you're kind of doing a weird paraphrase. I don't know if you're trying to paraphrase or directly quote, but you should really be just grabbing those big ideas. So if you could redo, that would be great.